So this lecture is going to be about charges. Now charges are a fundamental property of all matter, but unlike mass, which can be seen or touched or felt by us, charge cannot be exactly seen or touched. It's a fundamental property of matter whose effect can be experienced by us. For example, let's for the moment consider it to be some fundamental property of matter which you do not exactly know what it is. So let's say this substance, anything, has charge in it. Now, by experimentation and observation, we have seen that if another property, another matter which has some charge in it, if it is brought closer to this charged body, then some effect of repulsion or attraction is seen. So we get some faint idea that charges are a property of matter which cause forces of attraction and repulsion in other charged matter. So we can say that charges are the fundamental property of matter whose effect is that if another charged body is brought in proximity or in close region to it, then some effect of force can be seen on it. Now, by observation and experimentation done by philosophers and scientists in the ancient times, we have discovered that there are two types of charges which have been named positive and negative by convention. The positive charge could have been named negative, the negative could have been named positive. It's just for our ease that we named this one positive, so we named this negative. So charges